Hey everyone, what's up? This is Dory1017, aka Naturally Hope. I was just coming at you to show you a little bit of a tutorial of me doing my passion twist with the Freetress water wave hair. I used 2 strands per twist. In the back I had to minimize it to 1 because the back is like a looser texture, so we had some slippage, but I did take 2 strands and I separated them. And in this video I'm only going to show how I do one of them, because there are a million videos on how to do passion twists. But I really love this style. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, you know, it's kind of similar to boho locks, and it's really cute. Not a hairstyle for the summertime, that's for sure. It is a little chilly down here in Miami, so it's nice to do it now. So I'll probably revisit this style next fall / winter. We don't really get summer, winter, swinter, because it's cold in the morning and then it's hot in the afternoon, but whatever. But this is not summer approved, okay? Unless you do them really big and are able to put it up in a bun or whatever. So yeah, it's pretty heavy, pretty lengthy, and it keeps you warm. So not a good hairstyle for the summertime. But anyways, I'm using this Eden Bodyworks Control Edge Glaze to do it. I put it on my roots, and then I went ahead and split my hair in 2, and I did the invisible roots method. Just as you would do rope twists, you do the same thing. When I first saw this, I was like, it may be difficult, but it's pretty much the same thing, different hair. So I twist one side, or roll one side backwards, and then the other side I'm going to roll forward, no S at the end, forward. And after that, I'm just going ahead and rolling it here. Sorry guys, just trying to wait for the video. I feel like I'm just trying to go faster than the video. But then after that, I take the side that I twisted. I'm right-handed, so I took the side that I twisted backwards and started actually putting the hair in a twist while rolling it at the same time, just as you would normally do the invisible roots method. I guess depending on whether or not you're right or left-handed, you twist it whatever way, but one side will be rolled back, one side will be rolled forward, then you bring them all together to start creating your twist. And as you twist, you are rolling the hair. For the ends of my hair right here, as you can see, they were poking out. I just went on ahead and added that Eden Bodyworks Control Edge Glaze to just kind of blend it into my hair. I really like this Eden Bodyworks Control Edge Glaze. It is like bae right now. Like, I need a backup, and then I need a backup for the backup. So yeah, it's really good. Not really great on the edges. Like, none of the edge controls I've tried are really great on my edges. Like, they melt and then it's like soul glow for the rest of the day. But it's pretty good for twisting. I really like this one as far as me comparing it to the other ones that I've used, like the Curls Blueberry Control Paste. This one is way better at twisting down the hair and kind of blending it in, so that way it's not like your puffy ends are not sticking out of the hair. So yeah, then I just twist it all the way down. After I add that edge glaze to the end of my hair, I don't add anything else. I just continue to twist it all the way down until it's done. And that's it. I just did that to the rest of my head. And up next, you're going to see the finished look. I did forget to mention that I used 10 packs of hair that I purchased from hairsisters.com. In the back, I used the color TT33. Then after that, I used the color TT30, then TT27, and then at the top, I used 1B. So this is the finished look. As you can see, it's almost at waist length. I really love this style. It's the cutest thing. Definitely got to revisit this one. But it's cute. I'm enjoying it. I love it. And I hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. I try not to keep it too long. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. I will post them down in the description box. My Instagram is naturally.hope. So feel free to follow me. I do little clips on there as well of mini tutorials. So thank you for watching. Peace. Deuces.